ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಗುರುವಾರದ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಒಲವನ್ನು ತೋರಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗಬಹುದು, ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದಾ. ದರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರು. ಇವರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಯ್ ಶಾಜನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಶೋ.
Thank you.
And all our people may don't know about animation, or some people may know about animation. So tell me about what is animation, and what's the what's the future of animation and visual effects in India?
Yeah. So animation is nothing but giving life to anything. It can be anything. And the future of animation in India is bright and promising.
Okay.
India has traditionally been known as a country which is favorable for outsourcing, and that continues very much. But what we have seen in the last few years is there has been a shift from outsourcing at the low end of the value chain. It has graduated to high end of the value chain. And all these big movies you are seeing, Life of Pi, Rise of the Guardians, and Madagascar, so on and so forth, most of the sequencing work of these movies are done in India. And these animation movies are made at a budget of 1,000 crore plus.
Okay.
So Indian students from India who do these animation courses, they eventually get to work in these big production houses.
Okay.
So that's a real charm. And the only thing which lives after you die is movies. So today also we look at Devanand's Guide. Devanand is now more there, but we still remember his movie, we watch his songs, we listen to him. So it is eternal, it is lifelong.
Yes.
So, and animation is about creating magic. So I think the future is absolutely bright, promising, rosy, and anybody who has got a gift of the gap and blessed with creative talent can definitely make a great career in animation.
ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಂಥವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಹೌಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಾಜನ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅನದರ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್? So
yeah, see, this education industry actually suffers from a birth defect. We have very open entry gate. So anybody who comes to an animation institute and shows a color of money, we take admissions for those students.
Okay.
So we have to make the exit gate tight. That is where MAC plays a major role. What we do from the beginning is that we have post-enrollment assessment. We have train-the-trainer programs. Our quality of training is much better. Our delivery is better. Our content and curriculum is much better. We have internships. We have industry visits. We have on-the-job training. So we try to make the exit gate tight. So when the student starts the course, and by the time the student is ready to finish the course, there is a transformation, and they are in a much better position to get jobs. So MAC has got very strong alliances with industry partners. So placement is not a problem. MAC has already been there for last 14 years. So we have mastered the art of content delivery. MAC has already trained 25,000 plus students, and these students are brand ambassadors. They are working all across the globe.
Okay.
So we are an organization which is long term. We are an organization which will last for the next 100 years. So that is how MAC is different from all other institutes.
Okay, fine. We'll continue the program, but caller is there. We'll take a call. And ಹಾಗೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಕಾಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ,
ಹಾಯ್, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
Yeah, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿ, ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ,
ಓಕೆ
ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾವು ACF ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನಾ ಸಮಾಜ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ಆಂಟಿ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರನ ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು
So, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
protest
ನಾವು
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay.
ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೇ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹೌದು ನಿಜ.
ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಶೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೇನೋ ಕೂಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ.
ಯಾ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ corruption, anti-corruption squad. Likewise, okay, fine. Thank you so much call ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. And ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಶಾಜನ್, one more question. Do you think animation is a good career option for youngsters? Because there are lots of job opportunities in IT sector or another medical or another sector. So, do you think this animation course is a good career option for youngsters?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the stereotype mold of being an engineer or an MBA or parents pushing you to become a chartered accountant, those days are totally gone now. Today, parents have become much more accommodative,
Okay.
and they are not so much influencing the student to take a decision of their choice. Rather, they are telling the student or the child that you take whatever decision you want, which is good for you.
Okay.
And animation is proven and now slowly started to establish itself as a mainstream career option. To anybody who has a gift of the gap, creative flair, and who wants to chase their passion,
Okay.
can definitely make a very good career in
Fine,
animation.
we'll discuss more about this. But ನಾವು ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇನ್ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಶಾಜನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. So, can you continue?
Yeah, see, before getting into animation, I have a couple of advices for the youngsters. I think the fundamental thing for all youngsters who are aspiring to make a career, whether it is animation or whether it is any other industry, is that they have to be geographically mobile.
Okay.
What do I mean by that? For example, I'll give an example. Like, job is available in Bangalore, same salary, and job is available in Guwahati for the same salary. I'm sure 90% of the student out there would choose for a job in Bangalore because familiar environment, family is there,
Yes.
can celebrate festivals together. But I think that is the biggest mistake anybody can make. So you should have to travel to cities and places which is unfamiliar, unknown environment. You have to live your life independently, because when you live your life independently and experience the troubles and hardships of life, that is when you will start learning, and that is only you will start growing. So that is my first advice. Second thing to youngsters is that follow your heart. Okay. Your heart keeps you safe. Your heart keeps you safe, and your mind keeps you happy. So you have to follow your heart, follow your passion, and do what you think is right for you. Don't be bothered by what somebody else is telling you. Don't be bothered by your friends telling you, don't take this, don't take that. Ultimately, you have to follow your heart.
Yes.
Third thing is that during our time, and I'm talking about pre-1990s when we were studying that time our options were very limited. Our choices were also very few. Today there is so much of choice, there is so much of opportunities and option that student is always consulting somebody else for their own decision. Like, if I am getting a job in Hyderabad, I am asking my friend, shall I go there? I am talking to my parents, shall I go there? So I have to make my own decision in life. I shouldn't consult anybody. We should not outsource our decision to somebody else, because finally it is my life, and nobody else knows better how to lead my life than myself. And my friend does not know, or my parent doesn't know what is going to work for us. And in fact, nobody knows what is going to happen in future. So we have to make our own decisions. And finally, last advice is that people don't fail, people give up early. So be persistent. Whatever you are doing, keep on trying, keep on trying. Don't give up in life, because you will face so many hardships, so many challenges, so many battles you have to fight. So keep on fighting and you should not give up. Animation, again, I'm reiterating the fact that it is a very good career option, but don't jump into the bandwagon because somebody told you take animation. Join animation if you are passionate about it. If you are not passionate about anything, you will not be able to spend 9 hours. See, what maximum time we are spending in the office, right? We are spending 9 hours in the office.
Fine.
We are traveling for 2 hours. We are sleeping for 6 hours. So your maximum time is your office. So you have to love your job.
Yes.
If you don't love your job, you will not be able to enjoy it, and you will not be able to grow. So if you are passionate about animation, if you think that this is a right fit for you, then only you should join. Otherwise, you should join whatever is good for you.
Okay, finally you'll agree for it's a good career option for youngsters.
Absolutely. See, anybody who is in the age group of 16 years to 17 years, and and who want to do something which is very different, like they are, they can observe better, they have creative skill, they can draw better or sketch better, they should take it further. So the drawing and sketching is a starting point for animation, or thinking or seeing differently. They should pursue a full-time course or 2-year program which is comprehensive, because animation is a very exhaustive subject. It has a lot of facets. It has modeling, texturing, rigging, storyboarding, character designing, concept artist, layout. So all this entire thing encompasses a full-fledged animation. So you have to do a full-time course, and then there is a lot of opportunities. Opportunities are in abundance, and there are a lot of scope for even you to go to abroad also. Animation is used in advertising, it is used in television, it is used in
Everywhere, animation is necessary.
and it is a part of media entertainment industry.
Yes.
See, as long as there is human being, two business will always run. One is restaurant, and the other is media entertainment. Right? So animation, gaming, visual effect, this is all called as new age media, and this is all a part of the media entertainment industry. And India produces the highest number of movies in the world, because we have Bollywood, Tollywood, Kollywood, Bhojpuri, Marathi, and all. And so therefore the opportunity is very big. Also, if you look at movie making, 20 years back it was like Bharat Shah or Lawrence D'Souza or Sudhakar Bokade. Today it is Heroes, it is Reliance Media, it is Balaji Telefilm, it is UTV. So the entire media entertainment industry has become corporatized.
Yes.
So large production houses are coming and making movies. And in movies also there is visual effect. Like you are seeing Hrithik Roshan jumping in Krish from one. Actually, he does not jump. He doesn't do anything. He just hops. Or you have seen Life of Pi. You are seeing a tiger. Many people tell me that the tiger was real, Royal Bengal tiger. I have the shot.
Yes.
The tiger is actually computer graphics. The boat is computer graphics. The
Even
water
ocean
is computer. Only the boy is the only real thing. And the 40% of the sequencing work is done in Hyderabad, in India itself.
Yes.
Okay, so just down the road, if you go, if somebody is staying in Whitefield, any viewer sitting out here, if you are staying in Whitefield, there is a production house of DreamWorks. DreamWorks, it makes the maximum number of successful movies in the world, like Ice Age 4, Madagascar, Rise of the Guardians. This is all made by DreamWorks.
Okay.
And they have a dedicated unit in Whitefield.
Oh.
Yeah, and if you have a chance, you should go and see the studio. It is awesome. And this studio has complete sequencing work of the Rise of the Guardian is made in India, right in Bangalore, in your own city, Garden City. I don't know how many of you are aware of it. So massive opportunity, but my suggestion is that follow your heart. If you do what you're passionate about, otherwise you will not succeed.
ಫೈನ್, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರು. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಇವಾಗಂತೂ IT-BT ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಹಲೋ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ನಾವು ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಹೌದಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಓಕೆ, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಟಿವಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ.
Yes, he is speaking.
Yeah, good evening. Please ask your question. I am ready.
Hello, Rajesh. All right,
I think lost.
disconnected the call. Fine, thank you so much for your call. Fine, there are lots of opportunities ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಏನೇನು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ನಾವೇನೇನು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನವ್ರು ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಥರ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಾದರೂ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇವಾಗಿನ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಶಾಜನ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ MBA, engineering and slowly losing their ground to unconventional careers? Why?
See, what is happening in India is that, you know, the entire Indian education system is input driven.
Yes.
So if you want to open a college, you require a piece of land and you require an university affiliation.
Yes.
Now that piece of land is mostly owned by land mafias who does not understand education at all. And then the problem with these colleges which has mushroomed, you know, in India over a period of time is that they don't have good faculties to teach in
Yes.
that. And student, there is no entry check. If you go and pay money, you will get admission.
Yes.
Okay, there is no exam.
Yes.
So only the top 20-30 B schools, you get admission through the competitive exam. Rest you have to pay money. So you pay money, say 4.5 lakh example for engineering or MBA, and then there is no placement.
Yes.
Why there is no placement? Because good companies need good MBA, so if they go to good colleges, and bad companies or small companies don't need MBA, so they don't come to hire.
Yes.
So a student, after paying 4.5 lakh, he or she has taken the money through educational loan, and they are expecting a job to get a job so that they can repay the educational loan, so they don't get the job and they come under the financial burden.
Okay.
So students are nowadays are saying, why should I do an MBA or engineering if I don't clear the competitive exam? I rather go and do a vocational training or skill based training and get a job immediately, and I work for 2-3 years and then come back and write a competitive exam and then join an MBA engineering program. So if you look at Karnataka as a state, only 30% capacity is getting filled in engineering colleges. That is empty.
Yes.
Now in India, last 6 months, 100 MBA colleges have shut down.
Oh my.
So which means if you have to get into the MBA colleges or engineering colleges, you have to join IIT or BITS Pilani or XLR Jamshedpur, IIM Calcutta. Otherwise, you do a vocational training and get a job rather than spending so much money and getting no job at all.
Okay, fine. One more call is there. Hello. Okay, fine. And fine. And one more question. Advice for youngsters who want to be a successful man.
So I already said that. I can tell it again. See, as an youngster, it is very important to make the choice in life very early in your life. Okay, you should very early in your life quickly figure out what you are good at and stick on to that.
Okay.
It is very easy to get influenced and get all the time contemplating and changing your decision. Or at the age of 14, you say I want to be a doctor.
Always been confusion.
Confusion mind. 16 years you say I want to be engineer. Then you see Rahul Dravid play cricket and say I want to be like Rahul Dravid. It doesn't work like that.
Yes.
So you make a decision very early and then you stick to that. That is the first and foremost thing.
Yes.
Second thing, don't depend on anybody.
Okay.
Because your parents are not going to be there with you forever. Your friends will be there as long as there is money. So you have to be independent, which means you have to live your own life. You have to, move from one place to other place. You have to, do everything on your own.
Okay.
And these are the couple of advices I have for the youngsters.
Yeah, really good. And one more call is there. Hello.
ಹಲೋ,
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೌರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಗೌರಿ ಅವರೇ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಂದು ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓ, ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್.
Hi, ma'am. You can ask me.
ಹಲೋ.
Yeah, can you hear me? This Shajan, you can ask me a question.
ಸರ್, I am want to know about the Mac.
She wants to know
Okay.
about Mac.
See, Maya is actually stands for Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics. We are a vertical of Aptech. We have more than 100 centers in India. We have been there for last 14 years. And we have 6 centers in Bangalore: Koramangala, Vasishan Nagar, Malleshwaram, Jayanagar, Indanagar and Kalyan Nagar. So these are centers you can, wherever you are staying, I don't know where you are staying, but wherever you are staying, which is the nearest center for you.
I'm staying Rajaji Nagar, sir.
You stay in Rajaji Nagar, so Basveshwar Nagar center is the most closest to you. So you can visit the Basveshwar Nagar center, and we are offering many type of course, right from 3-month course to 2-year program. And you can visit there, and they can explain to you about different courses which is suitable for you. And after the completion of the course, we will help you with placements. We will provide placement assistance to you.
No, sir, I am just married. I have one baby.
Okay.
Do you have any
I
idea
want to
about
work in home.
Pardon, yeah, ask me.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
I have one baby, sir.
Yeah.
So I want to learn in home. So the correspondence have there or not, sir?
See, unfortunately, you cannot learn animation in correspondence.
Yes.
You can learn MBA in correspondence.
It's a practical course.
Yeah, it's a practical it requires, but we can work out feasible time for you. I know that you have a baby and the baby needs your time, but there is always, and this program is not full time anyways. It is only 2 hours a day, 3 days a week. So if you can come to the class when the baby sleeps and put the baby to sleep and come, that will work fine.
Okay, sir. Evening classes also.
Yeah,
sir?
evening classes are also there. Ma'am, please visit the Basveshwar Nagar center, which is very near to where you are staying, and you can get all the information personally.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೆಟಿನ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. Yeah, fine. And definitely you'll give in very good suggestion for being successful man. And what are the different courses in Mac? There are lots of questions arises for people, so what's the courses?
See, there are courses for absolute beginners, and there are courses for professionals as well.
Okay.
So for professional, it is called as skill enhancement programs. Somebody who is already into animation and wants to enhance the skill further, so there are
Okay.
courses for them which are more short term or specialized programs, and there are courses for beginners who want to build a long term career.
Okay.
So we are basically have a very good career program in animation called Advanced Diploma in 3D Animation, which is for 24 months, 576 hours, 3 days a week, 2 hours a day. And we also have first time in India we have launched a comprehensive program on visual effect. Like you are seeing all this plane flying low, punches happening, Rajinikanth in robot, and all this Shivaji and all those things. These are completely visual effect or computer graphics. So we have a 24-month program in visual effect, because the visual effect industry is growing at a tremendous pace, a massive opportunity in visual effect. So these are the two main programs which we are focusing on. Apart from that, we have short-term program, 1-month program, 2-month program, 3-month program, depending upon your area of interest and what you want to do in your career.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಆ್ಯನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಏನು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿರಾಮ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ವಿಧಾನ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಶಾಜನ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಹೈರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ?
See, basically there are large-scale global production house like Rhythm and Use, DreamWorks, and MPC, so on and so forth.
Okay.
And these are the studios which are looking at a high level of quality, because they make large-scale movies and they're looking at quality. So people with experience and very good skills get selected for these companies. And there are also medium-sized companies and a lot of Indian companies which are making Indian animation content as well as outsourcing work. They are looking at people with skills more than experience.
Fine.
So these are the different type of companies which are hiring.
Okay, fine. We'll discuss about more. And one more call is there. We'll take up. Hello.
ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾಯ್, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ನಾವು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್?
ಕೋರಮಂಗಲದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಶಾಜನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi.
Hello sir. Hi sir.
Hi,
Actually,
hi.
I was seeing your ad program right now.
Yeah.
So I stay near Koramangala.
Okay.
Actually, I'm basically from Mysore. I was searching for animation courses. I was not getting any suitable information as I was required.
Okay.
Basically, I was interested in gaming industry right now.
Okay.
So I'm basically interested in like designing stuff in 3D or something like that. I need some information regarding that.
Okay. See, we have a center in Koramangala which is adjacent to Sony World Signal and diagonally opposite Oasis Mall, besides Royal Shilton on the second floor. And the best way to get the information is to walk into the center. We have a course in game designing as well. However, you should visit the center and meet the career advisor, because many times we have a particular notion about a subject, but when we go and meet the career advisor, then those notions are clarified, and then you get a better understanding of the subject you need to choose, because it all depends upon the time you can spend with us. It also depends upon the money you can spend. It also depends upon the future of the industry which you are going to earmark on. So my humble submission is that you please visit the center in Koramangala.
Yeah. Sir, one more general question I need to ask, because basically my family background is like banking sector. We are into banking sector.
Okay.
My father and mother are into banking sector. My basic question is that, is there a right future for me when I get into animation?
Absolutely. I mean, it doesn't matter whether your parents are from banking or whether they are from law and order. It all depends upon you. Okay, it is your future and you have to make that call. Animation, like any other career, it is a progressive career. It is a career which is going to give you both fame and money, right? After 10 years when you die, or maybe after 50 years when we all die, what is going to be there always? A movie, right? The movies are eternal, they are immortal. So you have a great opportunity to create magic on the screen. Okay, at the same time you can also make money. So that is a myth which is prevailing somewhere in people's mind, that animation is not a established career. I would beg to defy that. It is a very much a mainstream career like any other industry. It depends totally on your conviction. It depends on your passion and it depends on your interest. If you are passionate, if you have conviction, if it's an area which interests you, you can really make it big. There is no other industry in India or in the world where you can really grow from one level and jump to four levels within a short span of 2 or 3 years.
Okay. Sir, one more question I need to ask. What's the scope regarding animation in Bangalore, sir?
See, it is like going to Assam and saying, will I get tea to drink, because Assam has only tea gardens, right? So the entire production houses are there in Bangalore only. The DreamWorks, I hope you were listening to me before also. The biggest production house in the world is right located next door in Whitefield called DreamWorks. They have a dedicated unit. There is a Dhruva Interactive is there. There is Paprika. There is a host of companies which are nestled in Bangalore. There is a plenty. You don't have to go far to hunt for a job. Eccentrics is right next door. So after doing a course from MAC Koramangala, you will be hired by your next door neighbor Eccentrics. So you don't even have to travel. But again, let me tell you, that is not the way you should approach your career. If the jobs are there in Bangalore, the jobs are also there in Hyderabad, it is also there in Bombay. So a person who was born and brought up in Mysore and relocated to Bangalore, don't take a job in Bangalore. Go to Bombay, go to a bigger city, learn the hardships of life, embrace challenges, live independently. Because if you are getting a job in Bangalore, every Saturday you will go to Mysore to have homemade food, to meet your friends. That will spoil you.
Okay.
Go far to a place where your family is not there, because you cannot visit them often. Then you become mentally strong, and then that's how you grow.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Prajwal, I hope you got a good answer from Shajan, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
ಫೈನ್. ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಇದರ, ಸೊ ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್?
Opening time 9 o'clock to 8 o'clock. 9 in the morning to 8 in the evening.
Sir, is it open on Sunday also? Sir? Because I'm
Sundays,
working
yes,
somewhere
it is
now.
open. It is open. We will
Okay,
open
sir.
it if you want to.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thanks.
Thank you so much, Prajwal, call ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Is asked a very good question, and even next question is there, can non arts people do animation?
See, anybody
course?
can do an animation. It's like anybody who has got a passion,
Yes.
anybody who is able to observe things, anybody who wants to do something differently. It doesn't require what background you come from, because we are
Okay.
going to teach you right from the scratch.
Okay.
Okay, people who don't know even how to catch a pencil in their finger can also learn animation, because we are going to take you right from basic level to the end level. So anybody, what to require, to be a good animator is hard work, sincerity,
Okay.
sense of purpose, and that I want to be successful. That should always be in your mind. I want to be a good animator. I want to create magic. I want to be a part of world class movies. If you sleep, if you breathe, if you drink animation, nobody in the world can stop you from being a good animator.
Okay, fine. Is there any qualification? We'll speak about that, but ಹಾಗೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? SLC +2 ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಏನು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೇಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಶಜನ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್
All you people out here who is not interested in studies,
ಓಕೆ?
all you people out there who just don't want to mug up history and geography and do not
Yes.
want to carry big bags, heavy bags to college, this is the best profession. You don't need a degree. You
Okay.
don't need a formal education at all.
Okay.
What is important is skills. So if you have skills, you can make it really big. It doesn't matter. You can reach any level in the animation, movie and visual effect industry if you have the skill. It's like sports.
Okay.
Like Saurabh Ganguly and me studied in the same college, St. Xavier's College, Calcutta. But he came to college only for one day.
Oh my God.
Today he is Saurabh Ganguly and I am Shajan Samuel. So just like sports which doesn't require any degree to excel,
Okay.
similarly this media entertainment industry doesn't require a formal education. It is not a prerequisite. If you are educated, it comes in handy, but it is not a prerequisite.
ಫೈನ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈಗ ಕಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ,
ಹಾಯ್, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತಿಲಕ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ತಿಲಕ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಬಾರಸವಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಬೇಗ.
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್?
See, there are short-term programs which vary between 1 month to 3 months, and predominantly we do not propagate short-term careers courses because they do not eventually lead into becoming a full-fledged animator. So our focus is on the longer program, which is for a duration of 24 months.
Okay.
So and these programs are tailor-made in such a way that the student can do other things as well. They can do a parallel degree. They can be pursuing some other program in the morning and do the course in the evening. So it does not affect their balance of life.
Okay.
So it is 3 days a week, 2 hours a day, and 90% of our programs are the long term, because at end of the day anybody joining an animation program wants to be a full-fledged animator, and there is no short circuit. You cannot learn animation in 1 month or 3 months. You have to go through the entire rigmarole of all the facets involved in animation.
Fine. Thank you so much. And one more call is there. We'll take up. Hello.
ಹಲೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಇಂದ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಹೌದು. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Hi, I can hear you. Go on.
ಹಲೋ.
Yeah, please ask your question.
ಹಲೋ.
Yeah, we can hear you.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, there is some disturbance in line, so thank you so much call ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. And those who are already in student in MAC, so they can assist in placements. So
yeah, see, obviously there is only one God in this business, placements, right? Why do a student come to us and pay fee? They want a job, end of the day, right? And
Yes.
there is a plethora of job opportunities. We bring jobs, we do campus interviews, we have companies coming to us, and we facilitate the placement. So we provide placement assistance.
okay,
So student after completion of the course, before completion of the course, we do a career development training program, and we refine their skill, we'll fine tune their skill, we help them in improving their demo reel. Unlike any other industry, in this particular industry, the resume doesn't matter. It is a demo reel or show reel which matters. And then we give them to the companies for hiring.
Okay.
So the companies interview these candidates, and if they are found eligible, the companies hire them. But we ensure that the companies come down to the center and hire. Now on this 24th in Bangalore, we are doing a job fair at one of our center in Kalyan Nagar. So 4 companies are coming for that. So any listeners out there who are from
what
the
are the
animation,
companies?
they are like Dhruva is there, Eccentrics, all of them are animation production houses.
Okay.
So anybody who has done an animation course and looking for a job, please come to Kalyan Nagar Center MAC on 24th from 10 a.m. onwards. It is just on top of the Bata showroom, opposite to Indian Oil petrol pump. Please come there with your resume and demo reel, and please participate in the job fair. There is no entry fee, it is free of cost.
Okay, job fair
Job
on
fair.
24.
Yeah, it is organized by MAC.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೂಪರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಫೇರ್ ನ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 24th ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಂತ್, ರೈಟ್?
This month.
ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತಿಂಗಳ 24ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಜಾಬ್ ಫೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾಜನ್, ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್?
See, a certain level of maturity comes only after age of 15 or 16 years, right? So if you need a certain level of maturity and a certain level of balance in your life. So I think anybody between the age of 15 years, to 20 years, with a maximum limit, can do this entire comprehensive program.
Okay.
And people are already professionals and already were in the animation field for 6-7 years. For them it is open because
Okay.
they are anyways going for a specialized course.
Okay, super. And can we get a free session on career in animation?
Absolutely. Please feel free to walk into any of the 6 centers. Koramangala is there, we have a center. We have a center in Jayanagar, we have a center in Malleshwaram, we have in Basveshwar Nagar, we have in Indranagar, we have in Kalyan Nagar. Please
Okay,
feel
how many
free.
centers in Bangalore?
We have 6 centers.
6 centers,
Yeah.
fine.
So please feel free to walk into any of the centers. Just inform the center manager over there that you have watched this program with Shruti at 7 o'clock today, and you just inform that. That is the only thing you need to inform, and you will get a free workshop.
Okay, super. And do you want to tell anything to viewers about MAC?
See, MAC is the leaders in 3D animation in India. We have 100 centers. Even if you are in Bangalore and tomorrow you say you want to go to Bombay, we have 10 centers in Bombay as well. We have centers across India. So you can join anywhere in India. And thanks for tuning in, and wish you a happy balance of the day and a great week going forward.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಶಾಜನ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಶಾಜನ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್.
Thanks for inviting me.
ಫೈನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಲಿದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ದು 6 ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಂದು 24th ಡೇನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ 24th ಜಾಬ್ ಫೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನಿಮೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ